Hi, my name is Matt.
My name is Tal.
And we are the owners of Street Faction Engineering. Street Faction Engineering is a manufacturing company based out of Santa Fe Springs, California. Our business is broken down into three divisions. We have our manufacturing facility, we have our R&D facility, and we have our shipping and receiving facility. So the process in which we develop a product is it starts off as a concept, starts off as an idea or something that we want to bring into fruition. So from there, it'll transfer over to Edward, who's our engineer, and Edward will take care of bringing that idea to life. So he can take an idea and create it into a CAD model, and once the CAD model is designed, we can go ahead and figure out what would be the most effective way of manufacturing that certain item and or product. Certain examples of what we do in that production facility would be we bring in raw materials such as sheet metal plate. We'll throw it on our CNC plasma table and we'll cut that into a 2D pattern, and from there we can transfer that to our sheet metal brake, which will bend that pattern into the product it's intended to be used as. So for example, it would be a seat bracket or our heel plates or our battery boxes. Those are all cut on our CNC plasma and then bent on our sheet metal brake. Another machine that we use every day is our CNC plasma tube profiler. And that one can take any round material and it'll cope, it'll mark, and it'll engrave on the tubing. And those markings can be bend order, it can be spring angle for a certain bend, it can be a part number, it can be a part name, whatever it needs to have in order to be able to correctly identify that item. After it comes out of that tube plasma cutter, it'll go over to our programmable Bailey bender, which will bend it accurately and repeatedly every time. So each bar that we make will be exactly the same as the previous or the next. Moving on to our R&D facility. This is a new facility which we got last year. We spent the time in order to make this look nice and presentable so that customers will be comfortable bringing their cars in. We epoxied the floors, which took quite a while, but it was worth it. We have two brand new Advantech Lifts, which we use to create a more accessible car, make it a little bit easier to work on for our techs when it comes to disassembly or measurements or service or anything of that nature. So in this facility, we'll bring in a customer's vehicle, we'll take it apart, we'll measure, and we'll develop whatever product it is that we wanted to make for that vehicle. In the front of the R&D facility, we have a CNC machine room which houses our CNC mill and our CNC lathe. And with those two machines, we can basically machine any material, stainless steels, titaniums, aluminums, pretty much any material. Moving on to our shipping and receiving warehouse, this is where we have our Tech Sebastian custom-made boxes for our very large items. A lot of our bash bars are oversized and we have hundreds, if not 1,000 variants of each bar. So we can't stock every single size that we would need. So it's more cost effective and time effective to build these boxes per order. So that ensures a perfect fit so that your product gets there safely, and it also ensures the best shipping rate, so it'll save you money in the long run. So there are various services that we can offer for you and your small business. We can do private labeling, so if you have a product idea that you want to bring into fruition, you can contact us. We can either handle the design work if you don't have a design idea, or if you don't have a design already and it's still a concept or idea. We can do the CAD modeling, we can do the prototyping so that you can actually feel it in your hand. So we can 3D print that. We can use our 3D scanner to gather the information needed quickly and rapidly to save you time, save you money. And then from there, we can proceed and give you quotes on various ways to manufacture it. And we can also handle the shipping. So in a sense, you just have to give us the idea and we'll take care of the rest for you. Just sell the product and we'll make it and ship it out.